Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your American Express account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in American Express, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as americanexpress.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of American Express. To log in, simply tap on this login button which is on the top right of the screen. Then you will be facing a form asking for your user ID, your password, and your account type. So go ahead and provide your user ID in the text field given for user ID. Then provide your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. Now tap on cards and banking, then a drop-down menu will open up with few more options. From here, select your account type. You can also check this box that says remember me so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text that says forgot user ID or password. If you don't have account in American Express, you can create one by tapping on this text create new online account. And now to log in, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help.